Quick video on Jasmy. It looks like it is some pain coming, fellas. A little bit of pain, boys. Y'all know I got to keep it all the way realistic about what's going on with these cryptocurrencies. And you can see here, this is the Jasmy weekly chart, family. So Jasmy is nowhere near to resetting on the stock RSI as far as the weekly, what tells me that there's more pain on the way. I've even looked at lower time frames and I'm getting the same information. Taking a look at the lower time frame for the people that follow the technical analysis and also what's going on with the charts, we are facing a huge death cross here with the Jasmy token. So yes, family, you can see here these two moving averages, which the 50 is crossing over the 200 on the daily, which signals we could get a huge death cross with Jasmy price falling anywhere between 203 and 2027. It could fall a little bit further, but or not even fall that far, excuse me, but that is the next level of supports that I'm seeing here. So staying clear away from Jasmy until this move actually plays out. For people that's following looking for entry points, I think that's probably the best well, my opinion, I would say that's what I would do. Not saying I wouldn't DCA, but I wouldn't DCA until I start hitting these different buy zone here on the way down, if we do get this death cross on the daily. So I know I'm noticing a lot of, one thing I noticed about the Jasmy community is you got the people that just got in the token like myself that kind of like bought at these floor levels, and then you got the people that have been holding this project when it was like, far over, 3, 4, 5 cent, something crazy like that, and they've been holding this token for such a long time, just waiting on the Jasmy developments, the roadmaps, and having to go through that vicious tokenomic change as far as the circulating supply. So I can understand, because like I said, I went through the same thing with the Elon token, so I can refer to the Elon token when I talk about buying at the tops and attempting to DCA all the way down, just expecting things to get better, family, and then they just never get better. So at the end of the day, I think you got to keep a clear, free and focused mind out here in the crypto space, because man, it's not looking good as far as the short term. But if you do believe in these long-term roadmaps and a lot of the utilities that's being built across the space, it should give you that inner motivation, not per se to DCA, because you don't have to literally keep DCAing until you have no money left. I don't know why people do that. You feel me? You could just chill, you could just stop, you could just watch the cryptocurrency market. It's not going nowhere. We are back where we were in June 2022. So it tells you that right now it's no rush until the halving cycle. We are not nowhere near the halving cycle. So all these people that's getting negative at tokens, it's your fault for continuing the DCA all the way down when you can just kick it and just chill. You feel me? I've told y'all plenty of times I have severely slowed down my DCA, and not saying that I'm not looking for opportunities, but I'm not about to go broke in cryptocurrency because cryptocurrency keeps dropping and we keep getting opportunities. You got to have some type of liquidity for yourself, some money for yourself. That's good for your mind, your stress levels. You're putting too much stress. Got people talking about they got to leave Twitter because Jasmy's just been going down. You feel me? Like going down. So I get it, man. If you got to, move away from crypto, I totally understand. As far as Jasmy specifically, from the research that I personally be doing, I like where they could possibly be long term. And my Jasmy exit strategy has always been a $50 billion market cap. If I can accumulate as much as I can before we get there, that'll put me in a position to turn 1 million Jasmy tokens into $1 million. Now, I'm not even near 1 million tokens, and I see so many people send me videos of just they got 1 million. I seen one guy had like 2 million Jasmy tokens. I see somebody has 6 million. They're sending me these pictures in my DMs, and I'm like, dang, I'm nowhere close. So, but again, I'm not going to extend myself into cryptocurrency, because there's life after crypto. It's life after crypto. Like, I'm seeing people literally on Twitter at war with each other over meme coins, where they never even met the founder. They don't know these people personally. They don't know their ulterior motives or nothing. Like, let's keep a clear and realistic mind when investing into cryptocurrency. You know what I'm saying? It's not nobody's fault but your fault. Not the influencers. It's not the founders. It's not the devs. You signed up for it. So you got to understand that you put yourself in this position. And in some cases, I personally, I ain't have to hold Elon all the way to the floor. I could have been took my money out and been like, I'm done with this, and felt a whole lot more better about having that money if it did go lower. In some cases, we just continue to hold and in diamond hands. Yeah, I don't even like to use that term anymore. Like, that was when I first got into crypto, and I understood how silly that term was. You feel me? Because you don't gotta necessarily time the market right, but if you come in the market at a good time, you might lose out on a couple bands, but you'll still be able to make them investments and make them investments go up over time if you get in at bear cycle levels. You ain't gonna never time the correct bottom, but as long as you get in at the bear cycle, at the bear market, you'll still see some some pretty good gains going into the bull cycle. So I hate to see this, man. You know what I mean? I want everybody to stay focused in crypto, man. Again, Jasmy, we're headed toward Deathcross, so that could be kind of bearish, but it is what it is. This is what we going on in crypto right now. We just got to keep a positive mental attitude. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Jasmy, the future of Jasmy. How long have you been holding Jasmy? Let me know in the comments. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.